Now that's an SBA-2, and no, I'm not gonna review this, but I'm planning to give away one of this. What do you think? Comment below if you guys want me to give away one of these helmets, and then follow me on my Instagram, and there's the link there, and you'll get to know more. So now I'm gonna tell what I'm gonna review. So let's get rid of this. So I have received a Steelbird helmet, which is SBA-1 HF, the one which was recently launched with headphones. And why waste any time? Let's unbox this, and let me show you what's my first look on this, and a little bit of review if you can do one. So I'll unbox this right away. While that's getting unboxed, I have a news to inform you guys. I have launched a new line of merchandise, which is Weekend on Wheels, and this was the first one which I had done, which was only for my personal use. And now you guys can go buy one of these t-shirts. Are you guys excited to see what the new design looks like? It's not one with the collar, it's a round neck, and it's officially sold at galaxy.com/wow. That is GALAXT.com/wow. Galaxy.com is a website where they sell only merchandise of anybody who does only merchandise. So he sells mugs, t-shirts, anything to do with merchandise. It's just not a t-shirt or anything. If you want to buy BFC official merchandise, or you want to buy RCB official merchandise, or any of these sports clubs where these guys are associated or they have a tie-up with, you can go check out them and buy any of these merchandise from the various clubs that you follow or various personalities that you want to follow, and go find out. And I've tied up with these guys to do my merchandise, which is a t-shirt. And let's switch and tell you what my new t-shirt looks like. So there you go, guys. So this is my all new merchandise, which is available at galaxy.com. If you guys like what you see, that is this new t-shirt, wow, every weekend has a story, and there's a logo which says Weekend on Wheels. You can check in galaxy.com and go buy one of these, and please comment below what do you think about this. And I think the package is already unboxed now. Let me wait for the helmet to drop down and then start the first look on the new SBA-1 HF helmet that Steelbird has sent me. I think it's unboxed and gonna drop on me anytime. Let me just be ready to catch this one now. Now there it is, SBA-1 HF, the all new helmet which is launched by Steelbird, which is one of its type, because this comes with headphones and a microphone fit in the helmet. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna straight away get onto the feature and not talk too much about the helmet, because it's the similar helmet, not much of a difference from the helmet point, but it's the tech which has gone into this which makes this helmet a unique one. So the helmet is available in 3 different colors: black, that's the one which I have, white and red. All of these are going to come in matte color, and the visor is polycarbonate coated with anti-scratch. So you have a quick chin release, one tap release. You have a air intake in the front, and also SBA air technology on the top of this helmet, which allows it to breathe. So now coming to the main feature of this helmet. So this helmet is equipped with headphone in the helmet itself, which is a wireless headphone which need not be charged, which is one of the biggest plus point, and an integrated mic as well. So it has an aux in, so you need to use a aux cable between your phone and this to connect, and there's a small button here which can pick a call and disconnect a call. So this, they also say this can be synced with your Google Assist because of the way it has been designed. I have not tried it. I'm going to do a in-depth review in my next video, when I'll review about this helmet as well. So that's what they say. And also they have said that the speakers which come within are IPA5 certified when it comes to waterproofing or water resistance, which is another good feature of this helmet. I like the overall look of the helmet. It looks really funky and good looking helmet. and I'm always a fan of a plain color, which is a black or a white color helmet. So I requested for a black color helmet, and there it is. This helmet looks like is specially designed for the city guy who likes to commute in the city, is busy all the time, likes to pick up a call, or somebody who is always on the go, gets multiple call, can't miss a call, or someone like that. This is a perfect helmet. Looks like that the way it has been designed, and the kind of features which are integrated in this helmet, because you can pick a call when you're on the go. The headphones are batteryless, so you need not have to worry about getting them charged, unlike like a Bluetooth headset which you can have on your helmet. So there are pros and cons, which I'm going to debate on my next review. So this, like I told, it's my first look, and I just wanted to find out how this helmet looks like, and what are the way they've integrated. So I'm going to show you a little close in depth. So what is there in this helmet. So this is where you connect your aux cable, and there's a small click button here which allows you to pick a call or disconnect a call and do various other things. So like I mentioned, this also gives you a GPS direction. So if you want to travel from point A to a point B, which is an unknown road, so you could switch on the GPS on your phone, and then through voice command you could lead your route. So that's another way, which is definitely is going to help. Comes with a quick release single visor only. I'm a big fan of a double visor. I wish they had the double visor as well, but then I think given the price point and the kind of feature which are there in this helmet, I think that's kind of compromised, or that's okay to have this. So this helmet is priced at 2,589 only, which is brilliant pricing, is what I feel. So I'm gonna leave a link below where you can go and pick up one of these if you like this helmet. And if you already own one of this, please share your comment below saying what has been your experience. I am gonna use it for the next couple of weeks straight, day in and day out, to find out the pros and the cons of this helmet and how it's gonna perform. So I will come up with another video in a couple of weeks, talking in-depth review about this helmet, and there are certain claims which they've done, so let me see if that is really what it is meant to do, or does it live up to its mark. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss a video whenever I've uploaded one. Until the next time, keep it rolling guys. I'm gonna say ciao now, bye bye.